What if you could spend just 5 seconds on Mercury, the planet closest to the Sun? This strange world is an incredibly intense and unexpected place, where daytime temperatures soar up to 430 degrees Celsius, 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Yet nighttime chills drop to a shocking -180 degrees Celsius, -290 degrees Fahrenheit. So how would you handle this environment with the most peculiar sunrises and sunsets in the solar system, where one day lasts nearly 2 Earth years? Let's dive into the mysteries of this harsh world and see what surprises it holds. Why is Mercury so cold at night when it's right next to the Sun? This contradiction stems from Mercury's exosphere, which is nearly as thin as the vacuum of space, without a substantial atmosphere to distribute heat around the planet. Temperatures swing wildly between extremes. During the day, the sun's rays blaze down on the surface, but once the sun sets, the heat rapidly dissipates into space, leaving Mercury's nights extremely cold. So, what's it like to go from burning hot to freezing cold? When the sun rises, intense solar radiation scorches the surface, raising the temperature to 430 degrees Celsius, 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Without an atmosphere to retain heat, the planet cools drastically at night, reaching -180 degrees Celsius, -290 degrees Fahrenheit. These drastic shifts in temperature make surviving on Mercury a real challenge. It's not just about extreme heat or cold. There's also the lack of breathable air and severe solar radiation to contend with. How difficult is it to find a safe spot to land on Mercury? Despite its small size, smaller even than Saturn's moon Titan, Mercury's terrain is a chaotic and rugged landscape of craters, cliffs, and ridges. Finding a smooth area to land is a challenge, especially with a lack of atmosphere providing little resistance to slow your descent. Then there's the sun's gravitational pull, which constantly shifts the planet's orbit along an elliptical path. This adds yet another layer of complexity to the mission, making the landing process akin to hitting a moving target while being pulled toward the sun. What would a full day on Mercury feel like? Enduring the sweltering heat of 176 Earth days during a single Mercury day would be like living in a massive oven. The intense heat from the prolonged daylight would be almost unbearable, even with the most advanced spacesuits. Surviving such extremes would be an extraordinary feat. Even NASA's state-of-the-art spacewalk suits, capable of withstanding 120 degrees Celsius, 250 degrees Fahrenheit, are not built for the scalding temperatures on Mercury. The suits would start to degrade rapidly under such intense heat, leading to life support system failures and potential heat stroke. Could landing on Mercury's night side be the solution? While this avoids the daytime heat, the dark side presents its own challenges, with temperatures plummeting to -180 degrees Celsius, -290 degrees Fahrenheit. Even the most advanced heating systems in your suit would struggle to maintain warmth in these freezing conditions. Within just 10 minutes, your body temperature would begin to drop dangerously, potentially leading to hypothermia and eventually death. This is just one of the many risks associated with exploring Mercury's night side. Is there a middle ground between day and night on Mercury? Enter the Terminator zone, the area between Mercury's day and night sides. This region may offer more moderate temperatures compared to the rest of the planet, making it a safer landing spot. However, calculating the exact conditions here is complex, as temperatures shift rapidly between extremes. Despite the uncertainty, the Terminator zone might provide the best chance to experience Mercury safely. Plus, it offers the opportunity to witness Mercury's extraordinary sunrises and sunsets up close. How unique are Mercury's sunrises and sunsets? Due to Mercury's fast orbit and slow rotation, the sun appears to rise, stop, move backward, and rise again. This retrograde sunrise is an incredibly rare phenomenon, and witnessing it firsthand would be a remarkable experience. After selecting the Terminator zone as your landing spot, the temperatures might be more manageable, around 130 degrees Celsius, 270 degrees Fahrenheit, while still warm. This is far from the extremes on either side of the planet, offering a brief respite from Mercury's unforgiving climate. Would you wait around for hours just to see Mercury's retrograde sunrise? Observing this rare event involves staying on the planet's surface for several hours. Yet, the risk of lingering for too long is high, as temperatures can rise rapidly in a short span of time. So here you go. Mercury is a captivating world full of challenges, adventure, and danger. Exploring it for even a short time can lead to unforgettable experiences and a deeper understanding of this strange planet, and there is so much more to explore in our solar system. What journey should we take next? Maybe a more tranquil visit with a view of Jupiter in the sky. Stay tuned for more stories as we continue our quest to explore the unknown. But that's a tale for another Think Beyond.